Alrighty, what's good, y'all? Yesterday I was working on the plugin and it just started working. I didn't really do anything, but what I do want to do is make sure it was actually working properly. Um, so firstly, I'm gonna run through expected actions and make sure that it's like wasn't something crazy happening yesterday with my environment or something, that it just worked. So we're gonna like update stuff, assuming that it's 0 if it updates. Oh, right. Is it the thing where I have to put something in there? There we go. So we have something in there. And then let's add something that's invalid. Right? And then let's make this like 10 or something. I don't really know when it updates or not. But, oops. Well, it closed, so that's also a good thing because I had problems with that earlier as well. Everything's feeling fine. Can we change the colors and whatnot? If I can click correctly. Oh, whoa, what the heck? Oh, wait, what? That was weird. Okay, so change that color, cool. And then this one too, cool. Still a bit delayed, but I think part of that is because like if I change this to 0, it'll update faster, I believe. I don't know why it opens 2 for that first one, so I'll have to check that out too. Yeah, so it's the delay timer is what, so the, hold up, let me put that in notes as well. Let me hit OK on this. Actually, I think I have, no, I don't have it up, so I should probably pull it up over here. So, let's go to the to-do. And what we need to do is move the color, or no. Allow updating of the source in the oh my gosh, in the update function. Still update the contents of it in relation to the plugin, right? So we still haven't crashed yet, which is good. We could turn off anti-aliasing. So this updates immediately. This also updates immediately. This too. Let me put on everything, make sure it's working out. And then custom text width, I still need it. That's not input at all. So if we go to a valid repository, bam, we changed something. I don't know what we changed, but projects slash dot files. Okay, I didn't change anything there. Project slash what other ones do I have? Blib projects. Oh, I know what's gonna work. Get line stat widget. Is it with the S? Bam. Okay, so everything's just working out, which is really good for me. I don't really know how I fixed it, but oh no, I do know. Well, I think I know how to fix it, how I fixed it. But I was going through and running it through valgrind, this command right here. I was going through and fixing stuff that could potentially be undefined, but it just started working out of nowhere. So I don't know what I changed, but it worked, and that's all I care about. All right, so it's now working. Oh! One other thing is I have to compile it with the -0 setting, and I think I would just keep that on. I really can't figure out why my stuff's being optimized out, but it is what it is. So we created the handler for the tracked files, but the untracked files still need to be tested. So the tracked files are working properly. Untracked files still need to be tested. They need to work without tick. I don't know what that means, so I'll come back to that. Fixed typing issue. That was, oh wait. That was another thing. If I think this is working, but before, if I went to a valid one to an invalid one, it would crash, but it seems as though it's working right now. Wait, I am recording on the other one, right? Yeah, okay, cool. But it's working now. Okay, kind of fun. Okay, can I go to defaults? Oh, that's not what I wanted. But it's still showing, oh, that's a problem actually. It didn't crash though, which is really good. But, oh, it did update. It just took the delay time. Okay, cool. So I think that just proves the problem I was having, but let me double check it. So if I have projects get stats, right? And then, yeah, so we have that. And then say we put this to something lower and then hit this. It works. Okay, cool. Because that was crashing before. So this works. Oops. Up. All right. So we get the text source working. Or crashed when typing out the repo path. This is not the case anymore. So we can move that up here. And then the make the plugin run off rip. That is something that's pretty important that I think I'm gonna do that one next. Reorder the properties so that the text properties are at the bottom. That's also I still need to figure that out. I don't quite know how you do that, but in update tracked files, fix time issue. Oh, this is untracked. Okay. Timing is not correct, yeah. So figure out a way to do pop-ups and then allow updating of source. So I think this is relevant to this. So we have get the text source updating to work without tick, and then allow updating of the text source in the update function. Just don't update. Okay, so we can get rid of this one, and this one will take over. Interesting. Dude, my eyes itchy as a bitch right now. Okay, so that's working. And then also what I want to do is, we're getting close to the end, but there's still some features that I want to add that were not present in the original script. So one is allow directories to be specified that hold multiple repos, right? So this will have to be, or to make this easier, make this a separate field, right? So I don't have to like figure it out on the way, and that makes it a little bit less expensive because I don't have to go through each one of these. So you have like 10 of these. I don't have to go through each one and check if it's a directory thing. I can just have repositories and then directories or whatever. And then, another thing I wanted to do is figure out how to, wait, do my other plugins have that actually? Let me see if that even exists first of all. Because, what I was thinking, I want to have that keep updating just to make sure it's working. Because yeah, what I was thinking is that like I'm hoping it's in one of these, but just to have like a default value, you know, when you have like a text box and it has text that's like um kind of like faded a little bit, dim, whatever, so that it has like important instructions for it, but so that you don't have to specify that somewhere else. I'm hoping that's a thing, but it might not be. What would it be a thing in? You can add a scene in a scene. What? Um, maybe I'll just have to be specific with how this works. But let me double check the the documentation first. So say we have OBS plugin documentation, and then we want to go to properties. Properties. I can't spell. Bam. So this is what we're using to, I think, right? Let's make another one of these. Oops. CD get stats. Oh, actually, let me say thank you to that person really quick. Who responded to me? It able to get. I do have still. What is it? Oh. Okay. So we have create parameter. This creates a new properties object with specific private data. Hmm. Was was this the one? Source. We remove it and then we add the properties, but there's no parameter. Okay, I'll have to look into that later. That might be useful for. No, we'll see. Destroy set flags. Zero or a bitwise OR combination of one of the following values. There's only one value. Obvious properties defer update. And to tell the front end. I don't think that's useful for me. Sets custom associated data associated with it. If apply settings, get parent, remove my name. I use that, yeah. Add bool, add int. Wait, name, localized name shown to user. Okay. Man. Oh! Bro, what? I could use that instead. Yeah, for delay, let's add like OBS properties. Add int. And then it'll still be named delay between updates. And then you have step value is still going to be an int as well, but it's going to be 1. Check these faults. So we can delete this, and then it's description, minimum value. Let's just say that's going to be 1. Or I guess you could do 0. I don't think I had a problem with that. Can I try that? See if that causes any problems. And then I think if I do this, it should be real time now. Yeah. I love this player. This is fun. Okay. So 0 is good. The max, I don't know. It's for infinity. What if we get maximum integer? I think there's a constant for this. Get constant for maximum integer value in C. No, this is actually int max. There we go. Int max. You can do whatever you want, gang. But just know that that's gonna take forever. I don't know anybody that would want to do that. And then I think the next one is a step, right? Yeah. So step is gonna be 1. Boom. Oh, I'm really scared to recompile. I feel it's gonna break for some random reason. Projects. All right. So yeah, let's close this because that's working fine. What's I doing? All right. It's build project. Yep. And then we could just launch it normally because I don't expect there to be any issues. I mean, at least I hope not. Oh, wait. I was expecting a string from this before, so that's not going to work. Because for delay, it's not a default string. It's a default int, and then it's going to be 5, yeah. Oops. So let's go back. Yep. So this is going to be get int, oops, delay, or this doesn't matter. Actually, I need to redo this whole thing. So, wait, what was I trying to do? So, if it's nothing, So I guess the question at this point is if that field is empty for the integer, then what does it return to me? I'm gonna check for null just so my program doesn't break, but I'm gonna assume it's null, but I don't think it will be. Actually, I need that. If OBS data get int settings and delay is null, then set the delay amount to 5. Else, then you get, I don't need this anymore. Actually, why don't we just delete all of that, and then say OBS data get integer for settings and delay, and then that will be the delay amounts, and that is an integer, right? Delay amount. Oh, the structure's not in here. It's in where is it? Source, I think. Source.h. Yeah. Delay amount is an integer, so we're cooling. And I think that's it. Ooh. Oh, that's a long ing. God, ing. So, OBS. Oh, oops. 101. The default should not be that. It should be 5. Now that should be my only error. Cool. Comparison between pointer and integer. So I think it will be. I think it will return 0, but I'm not sure. Wait. How am I not getting this error anymore? Oh, wait, not that one. There's another one. Because it was a long int. Right? Am I bugging? Whatever. Oh, wait. 152. So, for now, let's just get rid of this. But I do want to say, I do want to print it beforehand as well. We want to test an integer, and it's going to be info data delay amount. Oh, forget the parentheses. Now let's run this in here so I can see my printer. God, I'm so not used to that loading up so fast because I've been running debuggers this entire time. Okay, so it's 0, and then if we delete this, now what is it? Oh! Oh man, that's so nice. It just handles it for me. Okay, what if I do a number that's way too large? Max integer value in C. This. What if I do whatever this number is, but the end is 8? So this, and then it won't let me do it. Gosh, I love abstraction. I don't have to do nothing. Okay, cool. Let me add a note for myself. Do not have to do anything because it handles edge cases for me based on max and min, and doesn't allow empty input. I love the OBS dev team. They really come in a clutch for me right now. All right, cool. So this can be closed. And then let me add that up here. I know that was a sidetrack. I don't remember what I was doing before. Oh, right. Here's where I was. Float, add in slider. We could make it a slider. Actually, let's do that. Oh shoot, he was on BC. Okay, wait. Kind of quick side tangent. I'm going to. Is this in full screen? Wait, what the heck? Oh, there we go. We are going to is, I don't know if Kiyu is on Windows or not. VC. That's so interesting. Wait, can I reply? Quote reply. Oops. What did I do? So, calculator. Okay, cool. That was a lot quicker than I thought it would be. Okay, I know I just changed this to an integer, but we're gonna make this a slider. Cause do I want to make it a slider? Let's keep it where it is. I'm kind of getting sidetracked right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, can I link to this part in the, yeah, there we go. Okay. So, damn, I really should have finished reading through the um the stuff. Oops. Wait, I didn't copy? Copy. There we go. So for the directory specification, use this. Okay. Editable list adds a list in which the user can add, insert, or remove items. The items can be retrieved from data by using array. Okay, I think this is what I really want to do for the end game for all the repositories, because that can get a lot, and I doubt typing that is going to be fun, especially for somebody like me who goes in and changes them a good amount. So we're going to change the single repo list to this, but I do need to test it out, make sure it's what I'm thinking of, because none of these in the documentation have like what it looks like. Add group. Returns whether the text should be okay. Path type. This format. I want to be able to move these. Group contents. Yeah. Okay, that's okay though. I can't move it. I don't even, what was I doing? I got distracted with 17 different things. Made the plugin run off rip. Allow updating the source. Okay, before we do these things, let's fix the actual functionality of what we have so far. So right now, oh shoot, I totally forgot this was muted. I was like, dang, it's quiet for me. I was about to turn on blanket, but it reminded me. Okay, so let's check our untracked files. So let's make an untracked file first of all, because I don't think I have one. Oh, I have test.c. Is that? No. So oops. Except test.c. Right? So does test.c even have anything in it? It does. Okay, cool. It has a singular line. So let's open up OBS. And then this is where I expect some breakages, because I haven't touched untracked files in a very long time. Oh, right, I forgot I have to update something in here. Okay, so we have that, and then untracked files. Okay. Let's see what we're working with. Wait, can I do this? Oh my gosh, yes sir. Okay, cool. So, that's fine. Why is this a problem? So, let's print get modified time. This is probably why the time wasn't working. I didn't do it right. Junk after end of expression. What does that mean? Do you just want me to do this? Did I put like an extra space or something? Okay, so it's returning null. Why is it returning null? Is that a case I'm catching? Where is this coming from? So it's in untracked files. Untracked files. Oh my gosh, I haven't closed that source file in so long. Okay, so I have the struct listed here for me, and this is what we're dealing with at the current moment, at least. And get modified time is returning null. So let's break at get modified time. Break at get modified time. And then we're gonna run it again. Okay. Okay, so the path is currently touchable at the moment. And then we're gonna step. Oh, I didn't want to, bro. Path attribute. Wait, where's that coming from? Oh, okay. Okay, so that's the structure we created. Wait, did we return that? No, we don't. We don't. Let's run it again so I don't have to go through that entire thing. Properties. Start it. Bam. So we're gonna hit next, and then we're gonna print attribute. So that looks just fine. Okay. Past now though, I wonder. I don't even know what npm is. What is npm? That's not helpful. Do the Oh, I didn't. I want that to be up top. All right, cool. All right, so where are we at? Where are we at? So let's try doing this function ourselves. The address of attribute dot s time. So is that null here? Is that where? Oh, that's not the right character. So mt or st underscore mt. So that's a seems like it's a structure in and of itself. So if you print that, there's oh, did I type it wrong? Yo, that's crazy. That is crazy. Could I print the values of this? Man, why did it tell me that there was none? No. Incompatible pointer passing type or types passing struct time. Okay, wait. Two parameter time underscore t. What? Oops. So doing this gives me a time pointer. That's what I'm looking for, no? Okay, I'm just gonna run it and ignore that. Okay, well, that didn't work. Okay, passing argument one is gonna say the same thing. This is a struct time spec, and we're looking for okay. Or can I switch? Oh, I'm hitting the wrong thing. Why does it work here then? Am I missing something? So, in time is so if we're using local time, we are expecting time underscore t. Hmm. And this returns. No, what is this? It's a time spec. What was the other argument I was looking for? time underscore t. Is okay, so if that's the number of seconds until or since epoch, is that one of these values? Is that what this is? Okay, let me actually read, because I think that's what that is. Okay. What if st underscore? It's defined as a macro. The definition is a structure that contains, among other things, member of type on TV underscore sec. Okay, wait. Let's be smart here. Bro. Okay, so I think that is the epoch value. Let's go to years. Where's years? 68 decades. 680 years. Did I type that right? No way. This wasn't. That was in 1970. Oops. What type is... If I can type right. Time underscore T, that's what I need. That's what it is, right? TV underscore sec. Bam, it's gonna work now. Man. What? Did I not just change that? Oh, I didn't save. Did that work? No. Yes. Yes, it did work. So now, I'm going to run again. And then I'm going to hit yes. And then I'm going to start. And then I'm going to count. So if we go next, and then we print local time. This works before already. Wait. This isn't even the right thing. 67. That's not what I just compiled. Run. Yes. Bro, what is happening? Do I need to quit GDB? And then build this again? Wait. Uh-oh. No. No such. Oh, that was an error no catching. Yes, sir. Or maybe I typed this wrong. But I don't think I would type no such. Yeah. Error no. There's a lot. But it would be in... Oh, shoot. Where would it be? So there's no such file. And then we went to the modified time. We were in update. Oh. Update untracked file. Yeah, I think that was the one that the error no was catching. But where? Can I backtrack? Because all we need to do is add a slash here. But I don't know how that didn't get added. How are we going to do this? So we were at... I don't. It wouldn't be an update tracked. Might be an update value of the hash map. What have we given at this current point? We have the untracked file. Yeah, so whenever we add pass to the untracked file, that's where we messed up. Here. So we created the hash map, and then we create untracked files. Oh, I know where it is. There's a function somewhere where I am supposed to add it. So we destroy the trailing new line. Let me see what entire path is. Wait, where is entire path created? Wait, what? Entire. Oh, I'm silly. Okay. So we copy the file name and untracked files. So here's what we're going to do at this point. We're going to say if oh, that's the command. Wait, yeah, we already ran it though. Yeah, so we could say if data tracked paths at the ith index I don't want to create another array though. So we could just say tracked paths where for the string length of tracked paths the I -1 equals or I really should have used a different keybind for that. Doesn't equal oops, it's way too far. Where's that? Here I am. So we're going to copy paste that. But the difference here is going to be that this is going to be 2. And then this is going to have a slash. And then else. This one is not. Right? 12. 15. What is this one? Oh, okay. Logical not is, oh, it's only applied to the left-hand side. Why? Oh, I didn't put it in parentheses. There we go. That should be good now. Yeah. All right, where are we at this time? So the file existed this time. Print. Oops, I could just do that. Oh, no, I can't. Wait, why is the path? What? Oh, it says it right next door. Okay, but why is that a problem? Print get modified time for file path. Cannot access what memory? I just printed it out. Oh, is it the one that we're returning? Yeah, it is, because it's returning null still. Okay. Let's run that bad boy again. So at this point, we have the file. Let's go next. So we get a structure. I think it's because we're not malloking it. Oh, crap. What I'm assuming is that when we come out of here, the memory doesn't exist anymore. So if we try to print, oh, it does exist. So what's the problem here? Because where did we... untracked. Oh, this is the for the creation of it. Oops. So can we access everything in file? But that still returns null. We put the path in there. Oh man. Okay, I'll figure this out later. Yeah, because I am hungry. I want to eat breakfast. All right, I'll catch you later.